And let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following is an advantage of leasing financing? So here we're looking for one advantage. So we have one correct answer and three incorrect. It's easier to deal with the incorrect ones. Why? Because there are more of them. Lease payments build ownership equity over time. No, lease payments is rental. You're not getting any ownership. There's no equity at the end of the day. Leases often require little or no down payment. Is this an advantage of leasing? That's one of the main advantages of leasing, is you don't have to put a lot of money up front. Little or to none sometime. I would say this is advantage. This could be the correct answer. If you don't have time, don't look at C and D, but if you have time, check C and D. Total lease payment always less than the purchasing. Not necessary. Lease payment could be higher. The lessee is never responsible for maintenance. No, the lessee could be responsible for maintenance, and oftentimes the lessee is responsible for maintenance cost. Now, what should you do now? Whether you are a CPA, CMA, accounting student, the best thing to do is to go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, exercises, simulation, cases, and if you're using my quiz, you can ask AI to explain the material, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ about the topic. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. No one can take that away from you, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.